Before you start using the rotary extension, please watch the riser base assembly tutorial. You can find the link in the description box. When using the rotary extension to engrave cylindrical or spherical objects, select the appropriate riser base level based on the object's diameter. Level 1 cannot be used with the rotary extension. The Level 2 supports materials with a diameter ranging from 0 up to 55 millimeters. The Level 3 supports materials with a diameter ranging from 0 up to 104 millimeters. The Level 4 supports materials with a diameter ranging from 33 up to 130 millimeters. Place the base plate at the appropriate level according to the height of the object. Align the rotary head with the base plate. Flip them together, then use the H2 hex key to secure 4 M3X10 screws. Select the appropriate jaws based on the object's shape and diameter. Use the H2.5 hex key to tighten all 6 M3X6 screws. Insert the tailstock into the base plate. Loosen the dial and raise the rotary head to an upright position. Tighten the dial. Press the lock button to hold the rotary head in place for easier assembly. Measure the object's diameter. Adjust the jaws to the required size and place the object on top. Secure the object by tightening the jaws. Loosen the dial, lower the object until the rotary head is at a 90-degree angle. Then tighten the dial. Use the hex key to tighten both the rotary head and the dial to prevent wobble during engraving. Press the lock button again to release the rotary head. Insert the USB-A to USB-A cable into the port on the back of the rotary head. Insert the positioning block into the slot with the correct orientation. Seat the rotary extension into the positioning block. Connect the other end of the USB-A to USB-A cable to the LX2. Open LDS and switch the process mode to rotary extension. Type in the diameter of your object. Insert your design. Adjust the size, then align to the yellow line in the canvas. Set all engraving parameters. Make a click on the canvas and click the model preview. Drag the laser module and make sure the red cross sits right on top of the object. Use Auto Measure to set the focal length. Click Preview to see the engraving area. Click the process to start the engraving. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the LaserPecker support team at support@laserpecker.com. Thank you for watching.